2016 to 2016 at 13 o'clock. We're looking at the what we are seeing here is due to the uncertainties of US market, uh, that was due to the Fed holding its rate cut until further data has come and what inflationary pressure they have. So after the announcement, the market, this market went down sharply, and uh, so Indian market was expecting little downside pressure. So from the start of the market, it was very visible. If you look at how the market opened, it opened with a gap down, and it was clearly visible there was strong content, and you could have taken any trade here and got a profit from this range to that this range, from 161, 160 range to 130 range. It's about 30 points. So that was a bit clear. If you look at, if you consider looking at a smaller time frame or the same trade could have been taken at this 160 level, and you could have taken the profit here to here. So this was a very clear trade, and when we are looking at the trades, there was a good support at this 8130 level, because yesterday we saw there was the market was in trading range in this level only. So we got a good support at 9:34 here and 9:34 a.m. and we got a uh, upside move here, but it wasn't able to carry forward because uh, pressure from world market was showing on a on a downward direction. At the same time, we had very stable market yesterday on continuous upward direction, and today we got the same type of market in the downward direction with clear view of a downtrend. Finally, so this was the trade that was happening, and after the European Open, now we are looking at how the market is trading range on this time, 11:30 to 12:30, and now the market will shape up according to how the European market takes place. So we are expecting the European market is also opened the huge gap down, and now it is trading with a good upward move. Let's see at how the European market looks like. We see the French market CAC 40 index. Yesterday it closed around 41700, and today when it opened with a huge gap down of 60 points. 1.5% it was. So it was the lowest point of today's market, and after that it started moving up, and it went up to uh, 4144 at 1 o'clock India time. So we are seeing a steep and upward move from the bottom that reached at the opening. So we can further see the market may move in the same trading range from this point onwards instead of getting to the yesterday's close or because of the market uncertainties it will carry forward. At the same time, if you look at the DAX index, it's, the previous close was 9606. It opened with a gap down of 120 points on 9480, and after that, it went high and low was 9460. So currently, it is trading at 9528. It's around 77 point now, but it is still went up from 50 points below to the current level. So there was a upside move from the gap down started. So if we are looking at the Indian stock market, so we are seeing here upside move that was anticipated here, and when the market opened, European market opened, it went up with the European market. So as you can see, the upward movement is still there, and what we are expecting here is the market has low probability of going down from here. So the remaining thing it can happen is it can move sideways, and the market may in turn close at the same level what it is now, 8100 or 8.10 level, or if with the European market showing some good sign, it can move to 8130 level. Same range what we got yesterday's trading range there. So it may be a good signal for tomorrow's trade if the market closed in this region of 8130 level. Currently it is in 8110 level. For daily chart, it would be a good signal to have an upward signal for the coming days. We look at the weekly chart. It's forming an lower doji and then the sign of continuation, but the pressure that it has shown from yesterday, it has been showing the pressure to form a downside move from here. But this downside move is not still certain that it will carry forward. We have to look over the next coming weeks how the market will play. So this still sign of the pressure. The pressure it felt when each reached the same range, this range of the previous period. So we can expect some pressure here. How the marketplace will determine what the next weeks will come. Look at the daily chart. You see market unable to go down below the 8100 and 8060 level. So it is showing a great buying gain coming from here. Why this buying is coming here? Because yes, this bar closes below this range. So this would signal a downtrend coming in the next session, and it can reach again this 7730 level. So to avoid that, the bulls are making sure to get a proper bull candle, even if it is a doji candle. So make it a proper bull candle on weekly chart. So the buying is coming here, and they are expecting here to yesterday tomorrow how the close goes. It may range close in the same range, and the next will determine how we are expecting the foreign market to take place. Nifty futures index same year. There were many good trades we could have taken from the start of the market, and there was clear sign of selling pressure when it generated here. It took a support at 8140 level and 8150-60 level. So it was acting as support. It started, it was acting as resistance, but then it support. It then act as resistance for this level. So we could have taken trade this part of where the selling pressure was shown. Similarly, in the same way here, it was in this range of 8120. Taken trade expecting a move down up to this 817, 81. That's it.